y'all, it is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. We have a different setting going on now, y'all. We're getting back to it. We are getting back to it. This will be, for the most part, my new setup, so I am excited about it. But enough about that. Let's talk about what we here for today. Now, look, we're gonna address the elephant in the room. I know I look busted, okay? I know I look busted, but it's for a good reason. Real throwback, real. We're giving real. What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Y'all see the stocking cap. Y'all see, I ain't got no wig grip, but if you are OG, you already know what time it is. Today, I have a wig. Okay, so this is very impromptu, which is why I look so busted. I originally wasn't going to like record an unboxing of this wig, but I just decided to go ahead and show y'all what it's looking like straight out the box. So this video is in collaboration with UNice hair. They sent me over this wig, and it is a T-part wig. It's a closure wig, essentially, like a 5x5, excuse me, a 4x4 closure wig. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead, open her up. So this is the wig. Now I'm gonna put the wig on straight out of the pack, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm doing to the wig. I'm not gonna record it, but I will go ahead and show y'all how it looks straight out the box. So in the box, they also gave this little like headband, because you know headband wigs are popular. I'm contemplating getting one myself because my hair is growing, so we could wear a headband wig now. You got these lashes, y'all. You know what's funny? I've tried these lashes before. These lashes are for the drama. Okay, they're for the drama. You want to look like you have a 5x5 lace closure wig on your eyes? Pop on these lashes. And then they give you a wig cap. So that's what all comes in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and sit that down. So this wig, again, it is they call it a T-part wig, but it really is a 4x4 lace closure wig, and it is 16 inches. So we're just going to go ahead. So it comes standard. So, but this is why it's called a T-part wig. If y'all can see this right here. So you can't bleach these knots because they have like this little netting here. So, you know, and me personally, I don't have a problem with that. Like the less work I have to do, the better, but that's just my style. So there is a comb in the back here, and then 2 combs on the side. And of course you have your lace in the front. And this is what the top of the wig is looking like. So y'all, I didn't grab a comb or nothing. I'm gonna grab a comb real quick, and then we're gonna come back, try the wig on, show y'all what it's looking like right outside of the box. And then I'll leave, come back, and then show y'all the final look. So I do want to say this. Although UNice hair did send me this wig, I do want to say it is a very affordable wig. It's only like $116. So, girl, know that in case we like it. Okay? So let me grab a comb, and then I'm going to be right back. All right, y'all. So I got a brush to make it quick, so we're just gonna plop it on. I'm going to adjust the straps. I don't know if I told y'all, but also it comes with the little elastic straps. Usually I go ahead and also put a band on my wigs, but we're gonna see. So so this, first of all, I want to say it is very big head friendly. Okay, this wig feels huge right now. Okay. Y'all, tell me this wig isn't giving scalp. So it's like y'all, all, it's so soft. I'm not even about to lie to y'all. It is so soft. Again, this is human hair. I don't know if I said that, but I said again, but yeah, it's human hair. It's from their Bet You series. Y'all, this wig, it's so soft. So what I will say, it is thin. Like, it's thin. It's not the thickest wig, but y'all, this is so cute. And like, let's just look at this part right now. Like, when we cut this lace, girl, I think we're giving scalp. We're giving real scalp vibes. I am gonna have to put an elastic band on it because it's big. It's a little big in the back, or maybe if I adjust the straps a little bit more. But y'all, if this is not one of the like best, most perfect like grab and go wigs, like we keep her straight. You know, I'm gonna flat iron it some. I'm gonna cut the lace, and I'll put maybe just a little bit of powder on the part. But I mean, this is a grab and go. We're grabbing her and we're going. We're out the door. Like, you know, you flat iron her the night before, put her on your wig stand, and then you put her on and you're out the door. Like, y'all, I don't even know if I'm gonna put my baby hair in it because I really don't feel like we even need it. Because, I mean, look at that. Look at that. Okay. So, this is what it's looking like straight out the pack, y'all. Turn to the back. Again, I told y'all what I'm going to do. We're just going to cut the lace. We are going to flat iron her. And we may put an elastic band on her. When I come back, we're going to show you the final look. And we gonna see if we feeling it or not. But I'm feeling it already. Y'all feeling it? We feeling it. All right, y'all. So I'll be back. I am gonna frame the front, right? Because there's no framework in the front. But yeah. All right. We gonna see. Y'all, so I am back, okay, with the final look, and I must say, this is one of the easiest installs that I have ever done, okay? So, I wash the hair, then I blow dry it, okay? Blow dry it. That sounds so crazy, but I know blow dried it ain't the right way to say that there. So, I washed the hair, I blew dry it, and then I flat ironed it. Okay, and that was super simple. The hair was already straight, so it was simple. And it only took me like an hour to wash it and blow dry because, like I said before, the hair is on the thinner side. However, I don't mind it being a little thin because it makes styling it a lot easier. It gets it done a lot faster. Plus, to be honest, me personally, I probably will only wear it like this, like straight, you know. Like, that's how I just prefer to wear straight wigs. Straight. So, flat ironed it. After I flat ironed it, y'all, all I did was cut the lace and put makeup on the part. That is it. That's all I've done. And this is the look. My hair underneath, the stocking cap is about right here underneath. And I dyed my hair black so you can kind of see my baby hairs peeking through, which makes it look even more natural. But y'all, I mean, this is all of the hair to the front, okay? Y'all, this is gorgeous. This hair is so cute. It's so easy. It's so to the point, and I love that, y'all. I love that. I love me a quick and easy style, and this is exactly what this is. This is like, you flat iron her once. All you do is make sure you are constantly putting her on your mannequin heads, and she is good to go. She's good to go, and I love that. I love it. So, I'm going to wear this wig. I'm not going to say on a daily basis, but often. I'm going to wear this wig for the next month. I'm going to come back in a month and let y'all know my final thoughts on this hair. But as of right now, if you like are kind of like, y'all, I just need something, I would definitely buy this wig, especially only for like $116. Like, yes. It's so easy. It's so Easy, y'all. So yes, thank you again to UNice Hair for collaborating with me on this video and sending me this very, very beautiful unit. Make sure you guys go follow me at Angelle's Life on Instagram. Make sure you like this video if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you are feeling what I am giving y'all. Okay, my outfit details will be down below, and I actually am going to be going in detail on like what I have on and where I got it from in the next video. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.